everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft with a few tips on layering heat transfer vinyl. There are 3 layers we're going to be working with today: the black text, the yellow face, and the white teeth. The white teeth is going to be the bottommost layer. It'll go underneath the yellow face, which will go underneath the black text to get this emoji face to be correct. So I've creased my vinyl down the middle. You can see this crease mark right here. That'll help me in placing it on the shirt correctly. So for now, I'm going to put my white behind the teeth marks. And then go ahead and place the black on the shirt. And remove the black. Now the white is in the correct place. So I'm going to press the white. Now when we're pressing, this is tip number 2, I guess. We want to do the bottom layers for only 5 to 8 seconds so that they're adhered, but they'll still be able to be heated up several more times. First layer, success. Now this second layer, I can place on here. Because I know how it goes in relation to the first layer, I don't need my black layer for this one. Also, if the second layer I was pressing was not completely covered by this clear backing, I would want to use a Teflon sheet or a piece of parchment paper or a flour sack towel, something to cover the exposed areas so they wouldn't get melted by the hot upper platen. So again, we're going to press our second layer for 5 to 8 seconds. And that one just peeled itself. It was so easy. And now we're going to put on our third layer. Will press for the entire 15 seconds. And here we have our lovely project. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you'll be brave enough to try layering heat transfer vinyl.